Hi guys, zpolt here. Welcome to my lab. So this is a unique unboxing. For today, we're checking out a product from Yale's Arts and Prints Unlimited. So you own an audio gear and you're kind of tired of how it looks like already, or you want to change things up a bit. You want to customize, you're the kind of person who likes to customize your car. You want to design your own room. You want to have your own personality in your stuff, in your gears. And so this is the company for you. So Yale's Arts and Prints Unlimited design skins for your favorite audio gear, and for this one, it's a skin for the Zishan Z1. We're gonna change up how this looks like, so it's kind of perfect for the Z1 because the design here is not the priority of the Z1. So we're gonna put the skin in, unbox this, and also give you guys an initial impressions on how it feels, and also my review on this product. Okay, but before that, we review budgetfi to midfi audio gear. So if you're into that, consider subscribing. Okay, so let's unbox this now. So you have a pretty nice package right here. Our on top notch to ensure unsurpassed printing quality. That's nice. Material quality, we only choose the best materials for your budget. Cutout precision to make sure that the product is perfect for your audio gear. So how to apply? It says clean. Wipe clean the surface you're applying the decal to with a mild cleaner. Peel off the backing layer of the decal, so it's like a sticker. So to be honest, I'm pretty bad at this kinds of things. So if I can do it, I'm pretty sure you can do it. Now remove the clear transfer by peeling off. Okay, so it's like a sticker made from weatherproof material, so that's nice. Okay, and you have zpolt here. So I got the right product right here. WAP Unlimited UNLTD right here. Okay, so this is also available in the Philippines. I'm not sure if it's available outside, but I'm pretty sure you can ship it and stuff like that if you are interested. I really tried to prevent myself from unboxing this because I want to take a video with you guys with the first unboxing experience of this one. Okay, so let's try to open it up. Okay, I wrecked it. I'm really sorry. Okay, so this is zpolt Labs sticker. Look at that, guys. Okay, so you have zpolt Labs right here, and the pixel art face, Pixel Benny, links down below if you want to like him. He's our artist in most play games. So let's open it up, and I'm gonna try to put it in my Zishan Z1. So I think my Zishan Z1 is already clean, so hopefully I don't need to clean it. I think so. I think it is pretty clean right here. So I wish it's okay already. So let's try to put this in. Material wise, it's kind of matte, which is kind of cool. It's not the glossy. It doesn't feel cheap. And the printing is kind of sharp right here, which is kind of cool. It does feel, there's a high-res sticker right here also if you want that. Okay, so let's put this aside. And so this is supposed to be at the back part, and this one is supposed to be at the play and pause part. Okay, so let's put in this. I'm not really good with these things, to be honest. I'm really clumsy with this kinds of things. So you have the proper holes right there, so you can see that, guys. You have the proper holes, and I'm supposed to line this up. I'm not sure if I'm doing this correctly, and I am really sorry if I'm blocking out the video now. So it's supposed to line up perfectly. There you go. Look at that, guys. I'm so good. It lines up perfectly, and I believe that this is also like a 3D scanned. Okay, and look at that. And supposed to clean it up maybe later. Okay, so that is the first part of things. Look at that, guys. And you can also customize your design. There's a custom design for me. You can send out what you want your design to look like, of course. Okay, next, so let's put this new thing aside. This is my face, my pixel art face now. So why pixel art? Because I'm a game developer. And I really do. Oh, yeah, by the way, we have a new game that we just made. It's Papi Bird. It's a Filipino game for those in the Philippines. It's, yeah, Papi Bird is the name. I'm gonna show it on the screen how it looks like also. But yeah, it's a game about puppies. It's like a papa kind of slang. Yeah, Papi Bird. It's a fun game. It's made with a heart for fun. Yeah, I'm a game developer. I make games. So pixel art is really close to, and that game is actually in pixel art. Look at how clean that looks. Okay, so that is the back part. That is the front part. That looks cute, guys. Look at that. That's me with my AKG 7701. I'm blabbering here, but yeah. I really like this kinds of like vlogs and unboxings. I'm just blabbering. I'm not taking things seriously. Actually, doing reviews is like serious work, to be honest. I write down stuff, and of course, I try to be as unbiased as I can with my reviews. But unboxings is more fun. Let's try to open this up, and this is the top part. Let's try to surgery this in. Look at that, guys. I'm so good, right? Boom. That's unbalanced. Okay, that's bad. That is bad. There you go. That's better now. There you go. Oh, there's a bulge there. Yeah, I'm not the best at this kinds of things, but that kind of works for me. There's a bulge. Anyways, yeah. So that is that top part. Oh yeah, it's coming together now. It looks like really cool. Yeah, I like the top part. So yeah, I'm happy that I didn't stop with a two-tone thing, and I completed it. Let's do the other one. So yeah, this is not the most planned out vlog ever, but yeah, I kind of like it like that. Let's put this in. And yeah, I'm actually having fun with the Zishan Z1 right now. Just quick impressions. Really having fun with it. It's not my daily driver, but I am using the FIO Q1 Mark II as the complementary amp for this one. There you go. It does widen the sound stage and give me a cleaner sound, and also give me more power as well. Okay, and yeah, give me a wider sound stage. So I'm gonna show you guys quickly. This is my FIO Q1, and just usually stack it. Unfortunately for now, if I stack it, I already have the blue on black kind of thing. I need a skin for the FIO Q1 just to match it up. Yeah, but this is the final look, guys, of the this. Look at that, guys. The skin from Yells Prints and Arts Unlimited. It's kind of cool. It's really cool. Yeah, this is personal to me. I need to change this though. This black thing. This is off now. Put that in. Look at that, guys. That is really cool. That is really personal to me. And yeah, it looks really cool with the matte kind of finish. Yeah, I didn't expect that it's kind of matte. I expected it's like a glossy, but yeah, this is better quality, to be honest, than the matte. I kind of like this. So yeah, this is the unboxing and review of the Yells Prints and Art Unlimited skin for your Zishan Z1, and you can also, I believe, ask for skins for your other audio gear if you like to customize it. You can send out your design, your personal design to her, and she will make the sticker for you for a good price. Check out the price and the links down below. Okay, so that is my unboxing and review of the Yells Arts and Unlimited skin. Of course, check out the links below if you want your skin to be made for you. Really looks cool. And yeah, this is me also supporting local products here and the channel. And yeah, this is really cool product. This is really unique, and I would recommend it definitely. And of course, if you learned something, leave a like, and of course subscribe for more content like this here and the channel. And of course, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye.